Hello everyone, welcome to jQuery series, and we are going to work on animate, stop and delay effects in this video. Okay, so let's start with the animate effect. Animate effect used to make some kind of animation with the HTML elements. Okay, so as the name is suggesting that animate you will do some kind of animation with the HTML elements. I will show you this thing with the help of some example. Okay, and see here syntax changes little bit of syntax. You can see that with animate params has come up, and the params has come up for the CSS properties. Means you can pass some kind of CSS property here. Okay, so that I will show you in example. So let's start working on the example straight away. And I will take the last example. I will do this file save as. I'm going to do 9a. Okay, save. And see, the last time we have done something, some other thing, slide we are working on last time. Okay, see, this one is working. So now we are going to work on the animate effect. Okay, so I will make some changes here. In this one only I can make some changes. Here I will give start animation, as we are working on the animation. Okay, with the HTML elements. Here I will give the position also. Okay, the position we can give relative, absolute, fixed. Okay, so I'm going to give the absolute position here. Okay, so with all three, and here I am going to give the animate effect. Okay, and now along with slow I am going to pass the params, and in params we can pass the CSS property. Okay, we can pass the font size, font weight, or even right margin height we used to do. But here we are going to pass the right property. I will pass it in curly brackets. We need to pass, and it will come, the CSS property come inside this one, and we write I'm going to 50 pixel only from the right side of the screen. I will show you that what it means. I am going to copy this one and paste it for all. Okay, so now I can try. So this animation, see, okay, so actually it is appearing one after another, because we need to pass some kind of breaks here. Now we have given the absolute position, so that's why it is happening like this. So now we can try once again, and okay, leave absolute position. No, it is better. Okay, so now see, I am going to click on start animation. See, these are going towards the right side of the screen, and you can see it, this margin space we have given the 50 pixel, so it will see, it is the 50 pixel from the screen, this margin. Okay, so from the right side of the screen it will leave 50 pixel from the from the right side. Okay, this one. Okay, so if I will give more, like if I will give 300 pixel in case, then it will leave the 300 pixel from the right side. Okay, see here, because we have given the right here, so it is going to leave the 300 pixel from the right side. Like it will come up here, I think here somewhere. Okay, let's see. Start animation. See, up till here it is coming. It is now leaving 300 pixel from the right. This one is the 300 pixel. Okay, so animation is working in the same way like we have we have done the slide down, slide up, okay, but here you can slide to any portion of the screen, okay. So even see, I'm going to do the left this time. Now it is going to see, it will leave the left 300 pixel from the left and will come up till here, you can see. So I can try this one as well. See here, see this one is 300 pixel from the left, okay. Now it is leaving the space from the left side of the screen. So so like this we can pass the css properties. And so now we can try from the top as well, like this one, and I will give the more 500 pixel. Now it will leave the 500 pixel from the top. So let's try. See, it is going down, all are having the 500 pixels same. So one after another, the effects are one after another, because all three we have done the 500 pixel. We can also do it like this, like first one 300 pixel, next one 400 pixel, then next one 500 pixel, like this. Now see what will happen. Now it will come up like this, okay. So we can do such kind of animation with the HTML elements, okay. So now I will show you that we can even pass the multiple parameters, okay. So we already know the syntax now. I think it is betterly clear to you now. See, this one is the syntax for the animation, and the first one is the params. And params, we can pass the parameters, css properties to it, okay. So one property I have shown you, that you can make it right, left, top, bottom, okay, it's your choice. And the other one, like you can pass the font weight, font size, or any other property of the css problem, you can add it here, okay. So speed, we already know that speed we measure in milliseconds. That if you want to slow down the speed of your, like we are doing the slow, okay, so you can also fast and in milliseconds also. I have explained you in last video that what it means actually, that like 3000 milliseconds means 3 seconds only, okay. So you can also pass it like this, like I will show you. Like if you want, like it will finish in 5000, and this one is slow and this one is fast. So all three have different meaning right now. Now I'm going to show. See, it is slowly coming down, okay. So this is the effect that you can do with this animate effect. Now I will show you example of animate method with multiple parameters. So right now we are only passing the single parameter. See, with the HTML element, this is the single parameter, this one is also single, this one is also single. We can also pass the multiple parameters, okay. Multiple parameters, we can also pass the multiple parameters, okay. So like this one, after this effect I want to do one more effect with the h1, and this time I want to pass the multiple parameters. So I will do something like this, okay, so that it will be more clear to you. Here like this and like this, so that we can pass now multiple, like top. Instead of top we will do something, we will do left, okay, 500. And one thing more, I will give font size also, okay. Font size I will increase to some 40 pixel, okay. So I am now passing multiple parameters, left also, font size also. See, with these we are only passing the one parameter, but now we are passing the multiple parameters. Now we can try with this example, okay. Now it will, now what will happen, first it will move down, after that welcome to jQuery will come up in the middle and in more big font, okay, that we have done. Let's see, first it will come down, then it will move in the middle. See, now it will start moving to the middle, and it will increase the font as well. See here, font has been increased. If you have noticed, I will make 60 pixel, okay. Now you can check again. See, it is coming down. Now it will move towards the right side. See here, See, it is increasing. See how it looks good. Okay. Welcome to jQuery is coming in the middle of the screen with big fonts. Okay. So this is the way of passing the multiple parameters with animate effect. Okay, that you can try at your end. And now we will also see the delay effect. Okay, so delay effect is very simple. Delay effect is used to delay the HTML elements, means whatever progress, whatever animation you are doing with the HTML elements, you can delay it with milliseconds, like we have done in fadeIn effect as well. Okay, so delay, it will delay the execution of the animation applied on the HTML elements, as the name suggests, that delay is simply means to delay the HTML elements, whatever effect, whatever animation I have applied on the HTML elements. Okay, so like this one, we can delay the st at h1 tag, whatever it is doing. See, I am going to make this effect now, that it will delay to 4000 seconds, this one. So we can try this one now, how it will delay. So it is moving there. After that it will go away from the screen, maybe. Okay. So fade in means delay 4000 seconds, and fade in effect we have done earlier. We can try with the fade out as well, that what will happen. Let's see. It must move away, fade out of the screen. Okay, let's see. See, it just fade out of the screen. Now you can you have seen that we have given the 4000 delay. We just want that after finishing the animation, that this HTML element just fade out of the screen, means it will just go away from the screen, like we have done the fading effects in the earlier videos. That fade out means the HTML element will be shown and fade away from the screen, means it will go away from the screen. Okay, so we just want that it will show, like if we will straight away means remove the delay from here, and then it will simply fade away. When the an animation will complete, it will simply stay away. I will show you that it will reach here and will fade away. You can see that when it will reach here, it will straight away go away. See, now it will go away. See, it gone away. Now I don't want this. I want that it stops there for few seconds, like I want here that it stops here for 4 seconds, or even more, like for 8 seconds. Okay, see, 8000 means milliseconds, so it is 8 seconds. So I want that it delays there for 8 seconds, then go away. See, now it will go there and stop for some time. It will stop for 8 seconds. See, now time start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now it must go away. See, now it gone away. So this is the work of the delay, that it delay the execution of the animation applied on the HTML elements for whatever time that you are going to give to the delay effect. Okay, so I think that it is clear to you. So the next one is the stop method. So stop method simply means, it is very simple to understand what is the stop method. Stop method stop the animation of the HTML applied on the HTML elements, either in the beginning itself or in between. Okay, if you want to stop the animation in between for the HTML elements, then you can use this stop method. Okay, so let's try. And see, I will pick one example from the slide that we have done in the last video. Okay, so I will pick that example. I think we have done the slide toggle, slide up, slide down. Okay, I will pick this example and will show you. In this example, I will simply stop the execution. Okay, so what I will do, I will first try with this one, that if it will stop the execution here, then it will really good for us. Okay, so let me try. So I will do one. uh, I will make one button, more button here, and I will make stop animation, whatever animation we are giving here. So I will give here stop, and for start animation I will give the start. Okay, so now this time we are not giving button, we are going to give the start animation. First of all, I'm going to check that whether the current working is okay. It is working. So now I will give like we have give the start click function. Here I will give the stop click function. Okay, to stop the animation, stop and dot click function. Okay, so we can give it like this, and now I want to stop the animation applied on h1 in between. Okay, h1 is the element that we are applying too much animation. Okay, so I want to stop it in between. So let us try that. The start animation, see, I just stop. Okay, so I think it gone away. Let me try once again. See, stop the animation. You can see in between it stops. If I will not stop, then what will happen? See, if I will not stop the earlier, like earlier, it is executing complete animation on the welcome to jQuery, and we can stop it in between if we want with this stop animation button. Okay, you have seen this one. Like I start and I stop the animation in between. Okay, so it stops in between. So if I will click again, then it will even go away. Okay, so we can stop the HTML elements to animate further. Okay, so now I think it is clear to you what the stop method means. Stop method just stops the animation applied on the HTML elements in between. Okay, so this you can use it anywhere if you are making some kind of long animation, some kind of complex animation of 2-3 minutes, 5 minutes, and user want to stop in between, like you are making some kind of graphical animation, and user don't like, or user want to pause it and user want to stop it, then you can use the stop method. Okay, so I hope all three are clear to you: animate, stop, and this one and delay method. All three are clear to you, and you can try at your end. In the next video we will work on some kind of css effects, like how we can change the css with the html with jQuery on the html elements. Means we want to change the css for the html elements with the help of jQuery. Okay, that is really important chapter that we are going to learn in next video, so stay tuned for that. I hope that everything is clear to you, and if you have any query you can surely contact me in video description. Okay, then that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.